What's up, guys? Frankenstein Fabrications here. I just thought I'd give you guys an update on what's going on. Um, I didn't want to, I know that last week I did the second part of the firewall repaint and the door jamb repaint. Well, guys, I know I'm getting a lot of dirt in my stuff. So I just want to let you guys know that the next video coming up probably next week sometime is probably going to be me building a paint booth. Cost me about 200 bucks. I got some PVC pipe and some fittings and stuff, and I think I'm gonna try to build me a paint booth to try to combat some of this trash. The truck is right there, but as you can see, the door jambs are sanded again. Looks like the firewall is going to have to be sanded too, because it's too much trash in it. I sweep the garage out, I clean the garage out, I do everything that I can to try to keep the dirt and stuff out. It don't work. It don't work. So we're going to have to do something else. And then after this, I get to work on my own stuff, which is back to fabrication. So I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on. So it's been this past Saturday was, or Sunday was 2 weeks without a video. So there'll be a video coming up here next Sunday. So thank you, guys. I appreciate it. Remember, guys, if your project's ignored, it'll never get restored. Thanks for watching.